Ahora chicos, la número 19, 19. It is very simple. Está muy fácil. The way you find volume is length times width times height. So all you're going to do is you're going to multiply these three numbers and you find the answer. 12 times 5, 60. 60 times 4, 240. Bravo. We okay? ¿Todo bien? ¿Poquito o no? Of course, papita. Number 20. The company asked 100 people to test a new computer game. The box plot represents data of the number of points each person earned in the game. Which statement best describes the data represented in the box plot? Okay, chicos. Lo único que les voy a decir is, this is where most of the data is. Es donde más información hay. Entonces, de las 120 más o menos, un aproximado a 160, es donde más hubo gente, más puntos. Entonces, about half of the players earned 130 and 180 points. 130 and 180. Más o menos por aquí. Entonces, de aquí, acá, that's true because this is very little. Entonces, the representation that this has is gotta be at least half, chicos. So this is your answer. You don't need to understand anything else, just that the representation, chicos, it's gotta be at least half. Got it? 21. A researcher asked 120 people if they preferred swimming in a pool or swimming at the beach. The data collected showed that 3 out of 10 people preferred swimming at the beach. What was the total number of people who preferred swimming at the beach? So right now you have two things, chicos. You have swimming at the beach. And you have the total. Ahora, if you have the swimming at the beach, chicos, that's 3 out of 10. And the big total would be 120. Where does that go? Abajo. Perfecto. So this is your unknown number, chicos. What are you multiplying by? Or you can do Wakanda forever. Whatever you prefer. Times 12, times 12, 36 would be your answer. Así de fácil. That's simple, chicos. 22. Ricardo plans to pay for college by using his savings along with scholarships, grants, and work study problem. Chicos, is it easy to get a scholarship? Nope, para nada. Gotta be good in academics, bien inteligente, or sports. And if you're both, wow, muy bien. Ahora, which source of funding does Ricardo have the greatest amount of control over? ¿Qué puede controlar él? Sus ahorros, his savings. Papita, I know. Now this is a perfect opportunity to tell you the third word. The third word is Grinch. The Grinch. I already gave you 1, 2, 3 words, chicos. Make sure you know them, por favor. Que se las sepan. Now, 23. Very simple, chicos. The owner of a food truck noted that 1 out of 8 customers ordered a drink with their lunch. What decimal is equivalent to this fraction? How do you find the decimal? We divide. Now, once you divide, chicos, you're going to be able to find that the answer is 0. And make sure you put the 0 because I checked and there is a 0. So 0.125. Make sure you put the 0.0 and the point, the decimal. Number 24, the last one for this video. Which situation could be represented by x minus 9 is 27? First thing I'm going to tell you, chicos, is check all of them because there's always two que fuchila, nada que ver. Now, we're subtracting, chicos, as compared to something else. So I might be closer to the closest Walmart than maybe someone else. Maybe Mr. Lara is 20 blocks farther than I am, further. Now, in this case, we're going to find the two that make no sense, that you're not subtracting 9. D and C. You know why? Because D says on each shelf. So here you're multiplying. A worker arranged with the same number of boxes on each shelf. You're multiplying once again. We are not multiplying right now, chicos. Ahorita no estamos multiplicando. So these are out. You have a 50-50 shot. Gael and Jules go to the same school. Gael lives 9 blocks closer. That closer is going to represent the minus 9. And to be able to find where Jules lives, Gael lives 27 blocks from the school. That's the total. What is the number of blocks that Jules lives? So how do we find it? By doing the opposite. So plus 9 will give you the blocks in which Jules lives to the school. So this is your answer. This tells you the opposite. So this would have to be x minus 27 equals 9, which doesn't make any sense. How can you live closer and then 9 blocks from the school? You know? So A is the only correct response. This is video 4 out of 6, chicos. Ya merito. Muy bien. Next video.